Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn about the data handling. It is from class 7th maths. Let us first we know that why should we learn this lesson. Suppose if we were given with the marks of some students and we have to make a data sheet out of it, where we have to find out in which subject all the students have passed and what is the which subject is the most favorite subject among students, in which subject they have scored the highest mark. All these data and which range they have scored, all this data we can find out using the formulas for range, mean, median and mode. So let us here understand the one of the sum of the 7th standard book, where we have to find out range, mean and medium and mode. Now, while seeing this, it is the weights of some students: 38, 42, 35. All these data, first we have to count how many students data has been given. Here they have clearly mentioned it is a data of 15 students. Now first we have to arrange them in ascending order, then we will find out range, mean, median and mode. So let me arrange in the ascending order. First let me see the lowest one. Here the lowest one is 32. It seems 32, 32, then 36, 37, no 35. I missed one number. Let me 35, 36, 37, then 38 is 3 times. 38, 38, 38. Now after 38, 40, then 43 2 times, maybe 3 times, 38 was also 2 times. Yes, I have written 43 2 times, then directly 45, and there one I missed, it is 42, 45. Then last one is not last one. Now after 45 there is no 46, directly 47, then directly 50. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I think I have missed one more. 35, 36, 37, 38 3 times. There is no 13 and directly 40. Then comes 42. What I have missed is 32, the lowest number. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let me find out the range. To know the very first thing is arrange them in ascending order. Now first find out the range. For range, the formula is see the highest weight, then subtract lowest weight from the highest weight. Highest is the number 50, lowest is 32. So the answer is 18. The range in which they scored is 18. Mean, here for mean the formula is number of the weights and the number of students, addition of all these weights, sum of all these all weights and number of observations or students here. So we have to add all of them. 32 plus 35 plus 36 plus 37 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38, then 40 plus 42 plus 43 plus 43 plus 43 plus 45 plus 47 plus 50, divide by 15. Then add all of them. So the mean comes out to be 560.33 around. So I know it is in decimals. The mean value is 560.33. Now let us come to median. For taking out the median, what do you mean by median? Median is the middle. Which one is the middlest thing in the number of observations? So formula is half n plus 1 value. So half, here n is 15 plus 1 is 16. So half multiplied by 16, which is 8th. Now count the 8th value when you arranged it in ascending order. So not from the original set. After arranging it, count the 8th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it comes out to be 40. The middlest value is the number 40. Now mode. Mode is the reoccurrence of the number or observation. So here the maximum number which one is repeated, maximum time 38 is repeated and 43 both repeated 3 times. So mode will be here. Mode is two numbers will be mode. Usually it could be one. Many times it is more than one also. So here it is 43 and 38. Now what is this mode? Mode is when you count for food items which is most favorite among children. Then sometimes you have to find out which food is so popular among the students, or how many times they have eaten. On that basis we have to find out which one is their favorite. During the collection of those data and to find out which is the favorite one, these finding out the mode is required. So mode is for that reason, to find out which one occurred the most of the time. So I hope you understood this mean, median, mode, and the purpose of knowing these things, where it could be applied. All these things I hope you understood very nicely. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.